On behalf of Dr. Jyotsna Suri, Guru Shobna Narayan, and members of the Executive Committee of Asavri, I welcome you to the first evening of Lalitarpan Festival 2023. The Lalitarpan Festival, conceptualized in 2002 by Kathak maestro, Padma Shri awardee Guru Shobna Narayan, Dr. Jyotsna Suri, and one of the most renowned tabla players, late Ustad Shafat Ahmad Khan, was instituted to provide a platform to young artists as well as to showcase them along with reputed senior artists to build up their confidence and create their space in the world of performing arts. The aim was also to present the audience various streams of Indian classical arts, theatre, and Western classical music through solo and group presentations. In its journey of 22 years, Lalitarpan Festival has till date presented over 100 torchbearers of Indian classical performing arts that included some of the finest exponents of Indian classical arts while recognizing young talent in these diverse and rich streams. Practicing artists from across the globe have showcased their art in this festival. Every year, the festival has a theme. This year, the theme of Lalitarpan is Dviparna, that centers on the two complementary principles of life seen through male, female, yin, yang, positive, negative, virility, and grace, to name a few. Breathing life to the concept through their solo and duet creative presentations by well-known artists and torchbearers of their respective traditions. Asavri institution was established by Guru Shobna Narayanji in the year 1979. Asavri was shown the way and guided along by several stalwarts. Guru Shobna Narayan's mother, Mrs. Lalita Narayan, the well-known Thumri singer, Naina Devi, tabla maestro Ustad Shafat Ahmad Khan, singer-lawyer Ranjana Narayan, well-known philosopher and grandson of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Ramchandra Gandhi, and others. Asavri is extremely grateful to the immense contribution, guidance, and patronage that is being received from all members of the Executive Committee, comprising several stalwarts in the field of philanthropy, education, business, art, namely Harish Narula, Alok Sinha, Rahul Rastogi, Anuradha Goyal, Karuna Sriram, Kusum Avasti Gupta, Shruti Gupta Chandra, Supriya Sathe, Kartika Singh, and Manish Agarwal. A staunch believer in the Gurukul Parampara, here disciples are imparted not only details of Kathak, but also sensitivities and message of love, righteous practices, and trust, which makes an artist humane. Dance residencies have also been and are being held to hone the talents of serious students of Kathak. The pandemic added another dimension to the activities of Asavri, namely that of online classes and online performances. Even after the lockdown was lifted, online training of students from various parts of the country and in the globe have continued. Besides Guru Shobna Narayan, other instructors include Guru Komal Biswal for beginners and junior students, Guru Pallavi Luhani for middle-level students. Several young dancers of Asavri have already become acclaimed young dancers of the country. Asavri, under the guidance of Guru Shobna Narayan, has been requested to hold certified courses for the prestigious Bharati Vidya Bhavan from July 2023. Today, Asavri trains about 100 children and also runs a repertory that has performed widely in India and abroad. Today, we are honored to have with us as our chief guest, Srimati Sangeeta Saxena, wife of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. We are also extremely privileged to have in our midst Padma Vibhushan awardee, Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha, Dr. Sonal Mansingh. We have Dr. Jyotsna Suri, Chairman of SAIL, Shri Amarendra Prakash, Amit Prakash of Sakar Outreach, Shri Harish Narula, President of Asavri, and Ranjana Narayanji. I request you to kindly come on the stage, light the ceremonial lamp, and inaugurate the festival. We'd like to felicitate our distinguished guests on the stage. I request Dr. Jyotsna Suri to kindly felicitate Srimati Sangeeta Saxena and Dr. Sonal Mansingh. I request Dr. Suri to kindly speak a few words.
Thank you very much, Sadhna. Uh, as has been already explained and very eloquently elucidated by Sadhna, I don't want to add more to it, but she's given you a background of what Asavari is and what the Lalit Arpan Festival is. Over the last 22 years, we have, as she mentioned, offered the opportunity to several young artists, be it painters, be it singers, dancers, a platform where they can actually showcase themselves. And this is all the vision and the guidance and the dedication of none other than Shobna Narayan ji. Missing her terribly, she's not here, and it's the first time ever that she's actually missed this festival. As we all know that, she's nursing her husband, Herbert, devoted to everything, completely devoted to her dance, devoted to her profession, and devoted to her husband. That's what Shobna Narayan is all about. We wish Herbert a speedy recovery, and I wish all the performers who are going to come in all the very best. And thank you all for really taking out your time to come here. Sangeeta ji, deeply honored to have you here with us. Sonal ji, deeply honored to have you here with us. Namaskar, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
I request Shri Harish Nurula, President of Asavari, to kindly felicitate Dr. Jyotsna Suri. I request Shri Harish Narula to speak a few words. We have mementos for the occasion. I now request Dr. Shri Harish Narula to speak a few words.
First of all, I'm very grateful to Mrs. Saxena to join us. It's a great encouragement. Shona ji is not here, but that's a great thing we have done, a favor to us coming here, and she should have been thrilled to receive you. But we assure you, we will not leave any stone unturned to make sure that the program is excellent. And Dr. Jyoti ji is the founder, inspiration behind this Asavari. Shruti ji, all. So let me only say one thing. We are grateful to you that you have come, encouraged all the artists, and thank you very much once again. And we hope that you'll enjoy the program to the fullest. Thank you.
I now request Srimati Sangeeta Saxena to kindly speak a few words.
Namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. I consider this as a huge privilege of mine to be here at the 22nd edition of Lalita Open Festival under the aegis of Asavri. 22 years and growing stronger by each year and so loved and so anticipated and so awaited. It's the sheer presence of such esteemed audience here is the proof of it. Josna ji, Shobna ji, I want to congratulate you from the deepest corners of my heart for providing this beautiful platform to budding artists to showcase their art going solo as well as together with artists, senior artists of repute. This is a very beautiful hand holding, I believe, to get such a beautiful platform so early in life and you've just started to perform. वैसे मैं सच कहूँ तो मैं अपने आप को इस काबिल ही नहीं समझती कि मैं इतने बड़े इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में कुछ कहूँ इतने esteemed guests यहाँ पे हैं the patrons you're doing a fantastic job of serving the Indian classical performing arts fraternity. I wish all the very best to all of you and to the artist of the evening. God bless. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much. In our midst, senior fraternity members of the art field, and I invite them on the stage. Very senior Guru Srimati Manjushri Chatterjee, Guru Gitanjali Lal, Nalini and Kamalini ji, eminent critic Leela Venkatraman ji, I request a very well-known theatre actress, TV actress, Joyshri ji, Joyshri Arora ji, please come on stage. Naresh ji, please stage par aaye. Naresh Kapuria ji, who's always there to help out any friend. And I request Dr. Suri to kindly felicitate our distinguished guests. We'll start from that end. Ambassador Ashok Sajjanhar. Kamalini ji. Naresh Kapuria ji, चुपचाप किनारे खड़े हैं. नरेश जी शुरू में रह गए हैं. Nalini ji. Guru Manjushri Chatterjee. Guru Gitanjali Lal. Shri Kamal Modi. Shri Avinash Pasricha. Srimati Leela Venkatraman. Sirat Narendra. And Joyshri Arora.
Josna ji, could I request you to felicitate Sadhna ji as well?
What color do you want? Yellow. How can I miss you? This is a beautiful color as well. Thank you. You've always been such a... Absolutely, you're wonderful. Thank you. We'll have a group photograph.
Are you please? Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, may I request you to kindly switch off your cell phones or put them on silent mode at least. I'd like to invite the musicians for Kathak on stage. कथक के सभी कलाकार, संगत कलाकार मंच पर पधारें. तबला श्री शकील अहमद खान. Music composition and vocal श्री माधव प्रसाद. पखावत श्री महावीर गंगानी. Violin श्री अजहर शकील. And we have Komal Biswal on the stage, who I think will be doing the Padhand. Elementary principles of life, the male, female, yin, yang, purush, prakriti, virility, grace. This evening, the two artists who will highlight this aspect are Dr. Pallavi Lohani in Kathak and Shri Suhail Bhan in Bharatnatyam. Dr. Pallavi Lohani, formerly trained in Kathak, is a committed dance performer and instructor. She is a senior disciple of Guru Shobna Narayan. She received her initial training from late Pandit Arjun Mishra of the Lucknow Gharana. Pallavi has a PhD in dance and is currently working as an assistant professor at the Technia Institute of Art and Design, New Delhi. Pallavi is a repertory artist at Asavri Institute for Kathak, New Delhi. She is a winner of the Uttar Pradesh Sangeet Natak Academy state level competition. She has choreographed several group compositions as well as dance dramas. She has also choreographed several short and major productions for students in several workshops. Some of her choreographic work includes Basant Utsav for Doordarshan Lucknow, annual function of Jaipuriya College of Management and VSM School of Lucknow, to name a few. She has also participated in major festivals of the country. Suhail Bhan is a Bharatnatyam dancer and a choreographer. He is an A-grade artist of Doordarshan. He combines grace and strength in a distinctive way that is both lyrical and dynamic. He is the founder-director of Nritya Bodhi Kala Kendra, Bharatnatyam faculty at the Sri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra. He has also been imparting training to the underprivileged kids from several years. He recently inaugurated designer Siddharth Teitler's Husna Couture 24 with a solo performance. He has participated in numerous prestigious festivals both in the country and abroad and has been honored by several prestigious honors and by organizations which include the title of Arshakala Chudamani by late Swami Dayanand Saraswati in the United States, Natya Mayuram Award and Acharya Nandikeshwar Award, to name a few. We will begin today's presentation with Ardhanarishwar, a composition by Vidyapati. Dance choreography is by Vidushi Shobna Narayan. Music has been composed by Pandit Madhav Prasad, who is also on the vocals. This will be presented by Dr. Pallavi Lohani in Kathak and by Shri Suhail Bhan in Bharatnatyam. Ardhanarishwar.
अदपुरुष जयते अदनारी जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी आद धवल तनु आद गोरा आद सहज कुछ आद कटोरा आद हड़माल आद गज मोती आद चानन सोय आद विभूति जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी चेतन मत आद बोरा आद पटेर आद मुझ डोरा आद जोग अद भोग विलासा आद प्रदान आग नग बासा आद चानन सुर सोहा आद विरूप आद गज लोभा बन कबीर तन विधाता जाने दोई कल बाटल एक पराने बन कबीर तन विधाता जाने दुई कल बाटल एक पराने बन कबीर तन विधाता जाने दुई कल बाटल एक पराने बन कबीर तन विधाता जाने दुई कल बाटल एक पराने दुई कल बाटल एक पराने दुई कल बाटल एक पराने पद सा सा सरे सा पद सा सरे सा सा धा सा धा प ग प ग रे ग ग रे सा पद सा सा सरे सा पद सा सा सरे सा सा धा प ग प ग रे ग रे सा पद सा सा सरे सा पद सा 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 धा प ग प ग रे ग रे जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी जय जय शंकर जय त्रिपुरारी
In her solo recital, Pallavi Lohani will present Teen Tal in technical piece, followed by Bhav, Git 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 Dha, which is a traditional composition of the Rasthari family of Vrindavan. This piece of Pandit Hari Mohanji, who received it with blessings from his father, Pandit Totaram Sharma, will be performed in the Ras Leela tradition.
प्रेक्षागृह में उपस्थित सभी गुणीजनों, गुरुजनों और रसिकगणों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम. A warm good evening to one and all present over here. I am Pallavi Lohani, disciple of Padma Shri Guru Shobhana Narayan Ji and Pandit Arjun Mishra Ji. Before commencing my performance, I would like to express my gratitude towards my Guru Shobhana Didi for giving me this wonderful opportunity. शब्द विहीन हूँ दीदी, आपने मुझे इस योग्य समझा, इस भव्य मंच के योग्य समझा. Thank you so very much for this wonderful opportunity. In addition to this, I would like to thank my Asavadi family, Shruti Didi, Shuchi Didi, Kartika, Komal, Suparna, Mahima, और मैं किसी को भूल रही हूँ तो I'm so sorry. But thank you so much for your all love and support. गीतम वाद्यम नृत्यम त्रयम संगीतम उच्यते. गीत, वाद्य और नृत्य, इन तीनों ही कलाओं का एकत्र समाहार संगीत है. और अगर हम केवल नृत्य की बात करें तो गीत और वाद्य का अनुकरण हमारा नृत्य करता है. तो इसी क्रम में मैं आभार प्रकट करना चाहूँगी और आशीर्वाद लेना चाहूँगी अपने म्यूजिशियंस का. तबले पे हैं उस्ताद शकील अहमद खां जी, पखावज पे महावीर गंगानी जी, म्यूज़िक कंपोजर एंड वोकलिस्ट पंडित माधव प्रसाद जी, और वॉलिन पे हमारा साथ दे रहे हैं अजहर शकील जी, और पढ़न पे महावीर गंगानी जी और मेरी गुरु बहन कोमल विस्वाल. Today I'll be presenting ताल तीन ताल, जो कि ड्यूरिंग कोविड, श्रुति दीदी जानती है कि शोभना दीदी ने हमें ड्यूरिंग कोविड क्या क्या चीज़ें, सुंदर सुंदर चीज़ें सिखाई. जब हम दरवाज़ों के पीछे बंद थे तो दीदी ने अपनी सृजनात्मकता, अपनी कलात्मकता से हमें ऐसे ओतप्रोत कराया कि मुझे तीन ताल का एक नया ही नज़रिया मिला. तो आज मैं उन बंदिशों को प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो हमने कोविड की बंदिशों में सीखी थी. प्रस्तुत है ताल तीन ताल. देता किड़धा किड़धा तका थूंगा तकिट तका तकिट तका धा ती टका तगा दिग धा ती टका तगा दिगिन तिटका तगा दिगिन धा ती टका तगा दिग धा ती टका तगा दिगिन तिटका तगा दिगिन धा ती टका तगा दिगिन धा ती टका तगा दिगिन तिटका तगा दिगिन धा ती टका तगा दिगिन धा ती टका तगा दिगिन धा प्रस्तुत है पिपीलिका चक्करदार जन किट किन किट किन किट किट जय तो दिग जय तो किट जय तो दिग जय तो किट 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 थे ता ता जुजिक तात थे ता जुजिक तात थे ता जुजिक तात थे जुजिक तात थे ता जुजिक तात थे जुजिक तात थे जुजिक तात थे ता जुजिक तात थे जुजिक तात थे ता
Suhail will begin with Ganapati Shloka, followed by Nataraj Natesh Kautavam. The Kautavam is an invocatory piece in Bharatnatyam, serving as a hymn. It is a song of devotion dedicated to the deity. Music credits are Kalakriya, sung by Preeti Mahesh.
ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಲೋಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ
taka dimme taka junno tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum taka dimme taka junno taka dimme taka junno tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum taka dimme taka junno tak kadaka tarikida dum taka dimme taka junno tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum tarikida dum tarikida dum tarikida dum tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum ta tak kadaka tarikida dum tai tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum ta tak kadaka tarikida dum tai tak kadaka tarikida dum tak kadaka tarikida dum ta ta tak kadaka tarikida dum tai tai tak kadaka tarikida dum tam
Next is Padam. Padam is poetry in Carnatic music. In this Padam, the Nayika says, "O friend, your face shines like moon. Today, Padmanabha is not kind to me. Kamdev is shooting his arrows into my heart. My mind can't bear the pain of love, O friend. What shall I do?" Everyone here is enchanted by the moon. Only I become sad looking at it. He used to love me, but now he has forgotten me. This has been composed by Maharaja Swati Tirunal and sung by Surya Gayatri. This is in Rag Athari, set to Mishra Chaputalam.
സുമുഖി തരുന്നതെന്തോ చెయ్యావు
Next is Toda Mangalam. It is a set of songs welcoming the god with auspiciousness. The Sampradaya Bhajan begins with this. It is in Ragamalika, set to Talamalika. It has been composed by Annamacharya and sung by Sudha Raghuraman.
தேவகி பரமானந்தம் கிருஷ்ணம் வந்தே ஜகத்குரும் 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 जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण शरण जय सरोरुह शरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण शरण जय सरोरुह शरण जय दीन करुणा
Nalang kutaringin na tom na kutanam dari ta tata kutanam dari te ta kutanam dari tata kutanam dari ta kutanam tata kutanam taringin na tom na taka taringin na tom na taka tik taringin na tom
शरणु शरणु सुरेंद्र सन्नुत शरणु श्री सतिवल्लभ शरणु शरणु सुरेंद्र सन्नुत शरणु श्री सतिवल्लभ शरणु राक्षस गर्व संहर शरणु वेंकट नायक शरणु राक्षस गर्व संहर शरणु वेंकट नायक स्वामी श्री रघुनायक स्वामी श्री रघुनायक शरणु शरणु
Nalang kutom taka taringin na tom tat chum tat tat ita jum jum tat tat ita jum tat tat ita jum tat ita jum tat nitta kirda taringin tom nitta kirda taringin tom tat kirda taringin tom kirda taringin tom taringin tom
मुरहर नगधर मुकुंद माधव मुरहर नगधर मुकुंद माधव गरुड गमन पंकजनाभ देव गरुड गमन पंकजनाभ देव परम पुरुष भवमोचन केशव परम पुरुष ನಾರಾಯಣತೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವ ನಾರಾಯಣತೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವ ನಾರದ ಸಂಭೂತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವ ನಾರದ ಸಂಭೂತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ
Talam kutaka tikutaka ta dingina tom ta dit ta jum ta di kirdaga ta dingina tom ta dit ta jum te ta di kirdaga ta dingina tom ta dit ta jum ta dit ta jum te ta dit ta taka tiku kirdaga ta dingina tom taka tiku kirdaga ta dingina tom taka tiku kirdaga ta dingina tom
देवेञ्च गणाराधित दिव्याम्बुज परा श्रीवेङ्कट गिरिनायक श्रीशा यचरीकय देवेञ्च गणाराधित दिव्याम्बुज परा श्रीवेङ्कट गिरिनायक श्रीशा यचरीक
Dalang kutaka ta dingina tom ta kudhana kutaka ta tana kudhana kutaka te ta kudhana kukina kuta taka tiku ta dingina tom ta taka tiku ta dingina tom ta taka tiku ta dingina tom
माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् जय माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् अरविन्द लोचन आगवृन्द मोचन अरविन्द लोचन आगवृन्द मोचन सूरवृन्द वन्दित मङ्गलम् कृष्ण माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् जय माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम्
Dalang kutaka ta dingina tom ta taka tari ta ta dana jonu ta ta jonu dimi ta ta tat tari ta dana jonu ta ta jonu dimi ta ta tat jonu ta jonu dimi ta ta tat dimi ta ka tari tat jonu tat dimi dalang kutom kirdaga ta jirdom dalang kutom kirdaga ta jirdom dalang kutom kirdaga ta jirdom
माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् जय माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् माधव भवतु ते जयमङ्गलम् गोपाल जयमङ्गलम् कृष्ण
And in the end, we will have a duet by Suhail Bhan and Pallavi Lohani, Tarana and Tillana. In this piece, a sculptor is creating his dream masterpiece in the temple, and suddenly the statue of the goddess starts moving and dancing in divine space. They get soaked in the divinity of music and start singing praises of Lord Vishnu. This is in Ragamalika set to Aditalam, Tarana and Tillana by Suhail Bhan and Pallavi Lohani. I request Dr. Sonal Mansingh to kindly come on the stage and bless the two artists. And I will request members of the Executive Committee of Asavri, Srimati Radha Goyal, Shri Rahul Rastogi, Shri Harish Narula, and Ranjana Narayanji to come on the stage to felicitate the musicians. Pallavi Lohani and Suhail Bhan. Suhail Bhan. And please welcome the wonderful musicians, Tabla, Ustad Shakil Ahmed Khan, vocal and music composition, Madhav Prasad, and Pakhavaj, Mahavir Gangani, Shakil Ahmed Khan ji. Anuradha ji, Madhav Prasad ji, Pakhavaj Mahavir Gangani, violin Azhar Shakil ji, and Padhant Komal Biswal. I request Srimati Shruti Chandragupta, Shovna ji's first disciple, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
You don't felicitate family.
No.
It has been an absolute pleasure to have you all with us tonight. On behalf of our guiding light and mentor, Guru Shovna Narayan, and all Asavri committee members, Harish Narula ji, Anuradha Goyal ji, Karuna Shriram, Rahul Rastogi, Kusum Avasthi Gupta, Alok Sinha, Supriya Sathe, Manish Agarwal and Kartika Singh. I thank you so much for this honor you have accorded the artists of this evening, Suhail Bhan and Pallavi Lohani. It is very rare that we have artists of this caliber. Sonal ji, Manjushri Didi, Kumadni ji and Kamalani ji were here. You know, Gitanjali Didi was here. To accord another artist this respect is wonderful. And thank you so much for your blessings. Thank you. Our utmost gratitude to Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, where training is imparted, and all cooperation is extended by its faculty and staff. Thanks also to our Master of Ceremonies, Sadhna Srivastav ji, our public relations in charge, Rashi Rohatgi Khan, Mr. Ini Singh and Rahul for cinematography, Mr. Harish Jain on lights, our family of musicians, the Habitat Center Program Division. Thank you all for the support and help. And first and foremost, thank you, Jyotsna ji, for all this journey that we have undertaken. These 22 years would not have been possible without you. An evening like this also becomes possible only because of a dedicated team of workers backstage. Our Asavri team, Kartika Singh, Komal Biswal, Pallavi Lohani, Suparna, Mahima, Prerna Kumar, Sharanya, Ruchi, Pushpa, Ishita, Shivanshika, Shubhangi, Pavki, and the indispensable Manohar, Ganeshi, and Ramu. Thank you. And we hope to see you again tomorrow for the second day of Lalit Arpan 2023, wherein we feature Megha Nair dancing Mohiniyattam and Vishwanath Mangaraj dancing the Odissi style. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good night. Could everybody, Sangeeta ji, Sonal ji, I know it's a little bit of a problem, but could you please come up with the artist for one last group photograph, please? It'll be a keepsake for all of us. Sonal ji, a minute, please. Aapki blessings ke bina kuch nahi ho sakta. All of us are here, please.
I request the artist to kindly stay back on stage for the group photograph. Suhail, please come for a group photograph. Everybody is waiting. Kamalji, aaiye please. Sirat, please come. Please come. Jaldi, jaldi, come. And I hope somebody shares the photograph with all of us.
As they say that the art is the greatest treasure of the mind and the soul of a nation, we can see the soul of our nation today. All these various streams that have conjoined together and form the bedrock of our Sanskriti, where your individuality, your everything that is there for you to share. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being with us. We will now take leave, and we hope to see you tomorrow evening. We will start sharp at 7. Thank you for being with us. Good night.